Today, I'm going to show you how to play Emotions Uno. It's a unique twist on a classic game that will help you and your child and family have discussions about your emotions. Better yet, I'm going to show you how to play with Uno cards and a regular deck of cards. If you want the full guide, click the link in the description. Let's get started. If you're using Uno cards, there are 4 colors. There's red, yellow, green, and blue. Identify an emotion for each color. I recommend when you're getting started to make red be anger, yellow be joy, green be fear, and blue be sadness. If you're using a regular deck of cards, you have 4 suits. You have hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. Do the same thing. Identify an emotion for each suit. I recommend hearts be joy, diamonds be anger, clubs be fear, and spades be sadness. But feel free to change this for whatever you think will work best for you and your family. There's also some special cards. In Uno, there's a wild, a reverse, a skip, a draw 2, and a wild draw 4. If you're using a regular deck of cards, you can have these correspond with aces being wilds, jacks being reverse cards, queens being skips, kings being draw 2s, and the jokers being wild draw 4s. Now that you know the setup, let me teach you how to play Emotions Uno. For each situation, you start the same way. You deal 7 cards to each player, and then you set down the remaining cards as the draw pile. You turn over 1 card to be the beginning card. Players take turns matching a card from their hand to the card on the discard pile, either by number or by color if you're using Uno cards, or suit if you're using regular cards. When a special card is played, the player who played that card must share an experience related to the card's assigned emotion before the card's effect takes place. In this case, the player played a green draw 2. Green was paired with the emotion fear, so the player who played this card needs to share a time they experienced the emotion fear. In this case, the player played a queen of spades. Spades were paired with the emotion sadness, so the player who played this card will need to share about a time they experienced the emotion sadness. Then, the game continues just as normal. If a player can't match the current card, they must draw from the draw pile until they can play. Now, players can use wild cards and wild draw 4 cards to change the current color or suit to one that benefits them. When they play a wild card, they must also share a relevant emotional experience. The first player to run out of cards wins. Have fun, and remember, the true victory lies in understanding and connecting with each other. But you can celebrate the winner of the game as well. And that is Emotions Uno. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more activities like this one, and leave a comment to let me know how much fun you have. Woohoo!